Hey everyone, Leo with the Dreaming Tree, and today we're putting together our Easter place setting freebie. Now if you're hosting Easter breakfast or dinner this year, this will be a really cute little addition for your table, especially for the kiddos and for the adults. Maybe instead of jelly beans, you can add some broccoli or some asparagus, Brussels sprouts, whatever it may be. But anyway, it's a very simple little piece. In front of me here, I've got the main structure, and I've already pre-folded everything at the score marks. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, well, there's 4 tabs to glue all together. It's pretty straightforward. So we're going to begin by just putting glue on these tabs here, and just because of the way it's structured, I think it may be a good idea just to do both tabs at the same time, so that you're not fighting with the tabs here. So just throw a little bit of glue on each of the tabs, and one is going to go on this surface and the other one's going to go on the back of the little egg shape. Okay, so you just have to line it up, very straightforward, and pop your finger inside there and press down, and then you can press down on the bottom one. So there's that, and then we're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So if you've got, even if you have a good size event going on with a lot of people getting vaccinated, may be able to hang out this Easter. I think last Easter was around that time where, well, things started to get, people started to lock down, and maybe we're on the verge of returning to some normalcy here. Okay, so again, this tab's going on the back here on the little egg shape, so make sure that that's nice and lined up. And then once you have that, you can press down on the inside. We have this little piece, and this is just a little liner that's going to go on the inside. Just go very easy on the glue here, just like that. You could actually put the glue on the inside here if you want, and then pop that right into place. So that'll make it a little more sturdy and make it look a little prettier inside as well. Okay, then we have this little egg shape, and we have some little shapes to make it look a little more interesting. Okay, so we're going to start off with this purple shape. It's going to go on the top of our little egg here, and it only goes on one way. This is the way that it goes on. If you find that when you're placing it on here, it doesn't fit, then just flip it over, and then it'll fit for you nicely. Okay, so that's that. Next one is our little zigzag shape here. Throw a little bit of glue on that. And want to just line it up with the little markers there. Just like that. Press that down. Okay, and then this last guy is going to go right underneath these 2 little score marks there. Should be flush with the sides. So go easy with the glue here, because we do have some little holes cut into this little band, and we don't want to get any glue on the holes, obviously. It defeats the purpose. So it's going to go right underneath the little score marks, just like that. So we have a cute little Easter egg. And I'll probably finish this off with either some foams, I'm sorry, not foam squares, but liquid pearls, or if you have some little tiny pearls that you want to put on there manually, you can do that. And that's going to go right inside there, and it's going to be flush with the existing structure. So go ahead and throw a little bit of glue on the back of this guy, so you can see how quickly this goes together, and that'll hide the little tab there as well. Just make sure that it lines up nicely with the actual main layer here, the main structure. And there we have that. Now this piece here, while I don't actually have anything printed on it yet, you can do a print and cut on here. Maybe you have a little single line font that you want to use. You can do that, or if you have a stamp, obviously if you're using these as place settings, you'll probably want to include the person's name. So it's a great opportunity to use the writing feature of your cutter, or do a print and cut. And that's fine too. So with your software, you would just superimpose the text that you want to put on there and then do a print and cut. We actually have some videos on how to do a print and cut, not specifically for this piece, but it will apply to pretty much, well, anything that you print and cut with your machine, whether it be for a Cricut or Silhouette. And that's that. I made a snazzy little bow that I'm just going to hot glue right to the purple part of our egg. And then I've got an entire bag full of jelly beans. I just went to the store with the kids and they're like, "Why are you buying jelly beans at 9 o'clock at night?" I was like, well, they're not for you. Not yet, anyway. I had to use them for a photo shoot. So anyway, that's it. Very simple little piece. Very quick to assemble, as you can see. If you don't blab like I do, you could probably get this done in 2 or 3 minutes. Cut these out, mass produce them. If you've got a Cricut, you can just add them to your mat, and then when you hit go, just change the quantity. It'll lay everything out for you. Nice and easy. So that's pretty much it for this one. Very cute and practical freebie that hopefully will become a part of your place settings this Easter. So if you enjoyed the video, please take a moment and visit our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the little bell so that you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. And if you make this or anything from our enchanting Easter SVG bundle, I would love to see it, and so would the rest of our community. So head over to your Facebook and do a search for Dreaming Tree Group, or you can type in this little URL here at the bottom. Anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful Easter, and as always, I look forward to crafting with you again.